ladies and gentlemen, this is where it gets interesting. As far as for the TMC is concerned, it is going to impact as far as the representation of the party, one of the largest opposition parties in parliament. Well, it seems so. Now, in this breaking development, what we are learning, that Shukhendu Shekhar Roy, who has just resigned as the TMC Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament, is present inside Union Minister Bhupender Yadav's residence. And not just him. According to reports, 8 of the rebel TMC MPs are also present at Union Minister Bhupender Yadav's residence. This is a big development that is now coming across this Monday afternoon, and at the same time, simultaneously, with Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee are present for the Opposition India Bloc meeting that is currently underway at the Constitutional Club. So we are looking at these meetings there. First, the pictures that came in of the rebel MPs meeting together, and right there leading that talk was Shukhendu Shekhar Roy. He's just submitted his resignation as the Rajya Sabha MP, and he cited corruption. He cited that law and order wasn't maintained. He cited that there is no democracy within the TMC, and that is the reason why he is now stepping aside as the Rajya Sabha MP and also stepping aside as from the primary membership of the TMC. Let's connect with Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, a lot of developments. However, it seems that the focus is now shifted to Bhupender Yadav's residence. What's happening there?
Well, that's right. The focus is now at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Let me straight away show you the visuals around the meeting that is going on at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Now, West Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari, who landed at the Delhi airport, then arrived directly at Bhupender Yadav's residence here in the national capital. Now, what we are learning from the sources is that the Trinamool Congress MPs are also present. Now, some of the names that we have access: Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar, Jagadish, Partho Bhomik, Bapi Halda, Proshun Banerjee, Arup Chakraborty, Ashit Mal, as well as Shatabdi Roy. Now, these are some of the MPs, as per the sources, are currently present inside the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Now, yesterday and day before yesterday also, there were crucial meetings that was going on of the Trinamool Congress MPs, both of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, at the residence of Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar. Now, let me straight away show you there is some movement happening at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Now, yesterday there was this important meeting at Kakoli Ghosh residence where some of the... Now, this is Suvendu Adhikari leaving from the residence of Bhupender Yadav, the West Bengal Chief Minister, who's leaving. Will try to get a word. Suvendu da, kya baat hui andar? Suvendu da. So that was Suvendu Adhikari, who left from the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Now, this meeting where more...
was also present at Bhupender Yadav's residence? Sabyasachi, is the Chief Minister also present at Bhupender Yadav's residence?
Well, the Chief Minister was present. The Chief Minister just left from the residence of Bhupender Yadav. The convoy of Suvendu Adhikari just left from the residence of Bhupender Yadav after the meeting. Now, the meeting has been going on for quite some time. As per the sources, we are learning that several MPs of the Trinamool Congress were also part of this meeting. Around 10 MPs were part of this meeting, and this discussion has been going on in the national capital for quite some time. In fact, under the leadership of Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar, she has been coordinating with the Trinamool Congress MPs time and again. There has been an important meeting of 21 MPs at the residence of Kakoli Ghosh Dostidar yesterday. Some had joined physically, some had joined virtually, but the meeting was happening here in the national capital. And as per the sources, we are also learning that several of the MPs were asked to stay in different areas. Some were staying in their official residences, but some were also staying in elite hotels across the national capital, holding separate meetings. So the rounds of meeting was continuously going on, and at the end, when Suvendu Adhikari landed here in the national capital, immediately after landing, he came straight to the residence of Bhupender Yadav, where the Trinamool Congress MPs, one after the other, came. So clearly, there are a lot of...
so what can you tell us, Sabyasachi, as far as Bhupender Yadav's residence, are there any rebel TMC MPs who are still present inside?
Well, the Trinamool, we are getting from the sources that some of the Trinamool Congress MPs are still present, but we have to wait for that confirmation. But yes, there is a confirmation that the Trinamool Congress MPs were present at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. But it could be said that the reason why they were present out here because they wanted to meet the Chief Minister of West Bengal, that is Suvendu Adhikari. So that confirmation is there that some of the MPs of the Trinamool Congress was present at the residence of Bhupender Yadav, holding meeting. Suvendu Adhikari, who just left from the residence of Bhupender Yadav. There is still some movement going behind the doors. We have to wait for the confirmation whether the MPs are still there or all the MPs have left. But yes, we can confirm it to our viewers that the meeting has taken place. The leaders have met with Suvendu Adhikari.
That location, because that focus is now shifted to the residence of Union Minister Bhupender Yadav. Suvendu Adhikari, the Chief Minister, was there. What is being said that the opposition MPs on part of the TMC rebel camp led by Shukendu Shekhar Roy, he was also said to be present at his residence. And then there are meeting pictures that are now coming in. Let's give a quick explainer to our viewers there. So as far as this meeting reportedly that happened on a Sunday, that was yesterday. And as far as today, the meeting of the opposition bloc is taking place. Here is Shuvendu Shekhar Roy. Along with him, there are said to be several of 6+ at least TMC MPs. That seems to be the representation for now. There could be others as well who are not, seen possibly in this photograph. But it seems that right after Shuvendu Shekhar Roy decided to hang his boots, to send across his resignation letter as a Rajya Sabha MP, he cited that there is corruption within the party. He cited that women's safety is compromised. Rajesh, he cited that as far as law and order is concerned, that has been an issue. However, this seems to be a lot of developments that is now shifted in Kolkata. And interestingly, when Mamata Banerjee herself is in New Delhi. Rajesh.
Yes, of course, this is going to be very interesting now because we have seen at least 8 to 10 MPs are there who are the part of the meeting which is being conducted inside the residence of Bhupender Yadav. And BJP now needs only 8 Rajya Sabha MP to separate the main parliamentary team from the leadership of Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee as well, because after the resignation of after this last resignation, now BJP needs only 8 Rajya Sabha MP apart from Shukendu Shekhar Roy, because till right now TMC has only 12 Rajya Sabha member with the party. Now BJP needs only 8 members which can break the party, of Rajya Sabha members. And since there are 28 members at the Lok Sabha from Trinamool Congress so far, so BJP now needs only 19 members to separate that party from the main leadership, from the leadership of Abhishek Banerjee and Mamata Banerjee as well. And since both of the top leaders are in the national capital right now, and Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari is also present there. So this is going to be another explosive and interesting for us. And this, if something happens, if BJP successfully takes all these MPs from Trinamool Congress, then definitely this is going to be the biggest jolt for Trinamool Congress.
Absolutely, because right after the MLAs, the political coup that Rituprata Banerjee managed to happen, take up within the TMC, it now seems that the coup is now being also taken up when it comes to the parliamentarian camp, as far as the representation of one of the biggest parties of the opposition in parliament is concerned. Now, Sabyasachi, if the required 2/3 majority is something that the rebel camp manages to get, then what happens with the TMC, which is led by Mamata Banerjee?
Well, see, at this particular time, we can confirm to our viewers that the Trinamool Congress MPs are present inside the residence of Bhupender Yadav. The only person who has just left from the meeting is the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Suvendu Adhikari. Now, very interestingly, if let me straight away show the visuals around, there is some movement happening at the residence of Union Minister Bhupender Yadav. Now, talking about a 2/3, it is very much important that the rebel MPs get get the number 2/3, that is 19 MPs signature. Now, in case they manage to get these 19 signatures, then they can say that the majority are in support of Kakoli Ghosh Joshidar to be the leader of the Trinamool Congress, or there could be another complete picture coming around. These MPs could also extend their support to the Bharatiya Janata Party. So this could also there in the picture now with Suvendu Adhikari coming to the national capital straight away after landing at the airport, coming to the residence of Bhupender Singh Yadav, meeting the Trinamool Congress MPs. Now the Trinamool Congress MPs are still present. What we can confirm to our viewers that top Trinamool Congress sources have confirmed times now that the MPs are still present inside the residence.
Okay.
And the meeting happened for quite some time. The MPs are still there.
Well, if you're saying 19, Sabyasachi, we are getting the information that the number could be well above 20, at least 21 MPs. And if that is the case, then that means that the TMC rebel camp has managed to gain the 2/3 majority. So in this, let's connect with Manav Jaiswal. Manav Jaiswal, what's happening within the TMC camp? The MLAs are deserting Mamata Banerjee, and now seems that the MPs are too.
See, I need to tell you two things. First thing first, has there been any MLA who has said that Mamata Banerjee is not their leader? One MLA, one MP, one leader of the Trinamool Congress? You'll find zero. Now the answer to your question itself being assigned, there is none who has disowned Mamata Banerjee. Today you're talking about any MP, any MLA. How does that justify?
No, but who's betraying Mamata Banerjee, Manav? Who's betraying Mamata Banerjee? Because if the leaders, they are accepting that Mamata Banerjee can take up the role of a chief advisor, but they have a problem with the leadership of Abhishek Banerjee. Will Mamata Banerjee then, decide what is more important, the nephew or the party?
I need to address a couple of things. First of all, there are two of the leaders, basically two of the Mamata TMC elected MLAs, stated that they want to see Mamata Banerjee as a chief advisor, who are actually the sacked leaders of the Trinamool Congress, right? They are not actually TMC. They are the sacked leaders of the Trinamool Congress. That is the first thing, first hand. Now the second thing I need to ask you is one thing. I need to ask you one more thing. Have they, any other leader has said that Mamata Banerjee is the chief advisor? Not only that, there has been an objection. There has been already a faction within their own group which says Mamata Banerjee is our leader and she will be our leader till we die.
But Manav, one of those very sacked leaders, the expelled leaders, has been identified as the leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, and that is also something which the TMC is contesting. That what about the reasons that Shukendra Shekhar Roy has given in his resignation letter as a parliamentarian? He says that there is growing corruption within the party. What do you have to say on that?
There are two different questions. The first one, first of all, whoever is the leader of the opposition, who is the sacked leader of the Trinamool Congress, has been chosen by the leader of the assembly. Itself is a questionable act, which is under the Supreme Court judgment May 2023, has already been stated. It can be the leader of the opposition can be decided only by the party itself. That's the first thing. Now, secondly, with the Shukendra Shekhar Roy, suddenly this Atma Chintan or Atma Gyan is coming to these leaders who have always been benefited by the TMC for so many years. Post 4th of May, they have decided they're finished. So they would root themselves back with the BJP. This is the modus operandi of Lotus BJP. Why this conscience did not arise before 4th of May of the result?
That is the question. Why don't your own leaders have faith in your party and in your leadership? Because if one by one, if they are deserting the party, then what is Mamata Banerjee left with? A few loyalists, because she currently is holding a meeting in Delhi of the opposition bloc. Yes.
The ideology of these people, whoever has been receiving TMC today...
Then that would be, Manav, something for the TMC to introspect. Thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. Let's listen in the meantime to Ritubrata Banerjee, the expelled leader by the speaker who was recognized as the leader of opposition in the West Bengal Assembly that is being challenged by Mamata Banerjee's TMC, what he has to say on these developments.
पार्लियामेंट का अपर हाउस का फंक्शनिंग था, शुकेंदुदा जो बोले हैं वो एकदम सही है। पार्लियामेंट क्विज करने का जगह नहीं है, क्विज मास्टरी करने का अलग सा जगह है, स्टूडियो है। कि अभिषेक बंदोपाध्याय का जो संगठन लोग बोलते हैं, उस संगठन में बंगाली में आप जानते हैं संघ का मतलब क्या है, गठन का मतलब क्या है। उसमें संघ है मगर गठन नहीं है। शुभेंदुदा जो बोल रहे हैं मैं भी वो चीज भुगत के आया हूँ। पिछले 1 साल में पार्लियामेंट के अंदर जितना बहस हुआ था मैं उससे बाकी लोगों से ज्यादा बहस में भाग लिया। क्या परफॉर्मेंस है ये तो पब्लिक है, मगर फिर भी मैं भी लास्ट रो में बैठता था। मगर हालात ऐसा चल रहा है कि क्विज मास्टर को शायद 2029 में मौका ही नहीं मिलेगा पार्लियामेंट में जाकर ये क्लाउनगिरी करने का।
Now, as far as the breaking update is coming in, let's again talk about the TMC MPs at Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav's residence. And what is now being said, according to sources, what we are learning, that they are likely to form a separate bloc within the TMC. So what has happened in the assembly on the same lines may happen in the parliament as well. And if these MPs manage to get a 2/3 majority as far as the representation is now concerned, then how will they recognize who is the Asli TMC? Sabyasachi, Nalin Kohli of the BJP is connected with us. Sir, good afternoon. It seems that the focus is now shifting to Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav's residence, sir. Multiple MPs are from the rebel TMC camp along with Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari, sir. What's brewing within the BJP? Are you opening the doors for rebel TMC leaders? Mr. Kohli?
I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Sir, my question is, are you, as the BJP, opening the doors for rebel TMC leaders, sir? Because it seems that back-to-back meetings are taking place at the residence of Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav.
I wouldn't know. And in fairness, my information is also coming only from the media. However, the larger question is what is happening to the Trinamool Congress. And that is clear that the Trinamool Congress evidently was running on a leader and not an ideology. The claimed ideology of its leadership, being Ms. Mamata Banerjee and Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, was only a hollow thing in terms of perpetrating a family fiefdom, and it was completely oppressive on the people of Bengal. And that is why the people of Bengal wholeheartedly, wholesomely ejected the TMC out of office in a manner to be on the basis of the promise of good governance of what Prime Minister Modi's government at the centre and what the BJP in the state,
But
as a
Mr.
double-engine
Kohli, the
government,
TMC,
plans
some
to.
loyalists of Mamata Banerjee are trying to project that this is Operation Lotus unfolding at the behest of the BJP, which is trying to break the party because they are scared of the ED investigation.
In fairness, this is something that if the Trinamool Congress leadership was really serious about the rebellion within, they would look at the reasons within instead of finding fault with the BJP. I mean, why is the party collapsing? Why is Ms. Mamata Banerjee not considered good enough? Today, there is a media news that the ex-MLA of Falta was arrested on the Nepal border.
Right.
He was one of the closest aides of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, before the repoll, went to the extent of even saying not in 6 berths will the BJP come. And he called it the Diamond Harbour model. And all of these places in Bengal confirmed how disconnected they were from the truth and the ground.
Well, sir, that is for the TMC to answer in introspect, to look within exactly why one by one the MPs and the MLAs are deserting Mamata Banerjee. Thank you very much, Mr. Kohli, for your point of view. Now, let's go back to Sabyasachi on this. Sabyasachi, this question also lies with the BJP because multiple leaders, and if we speak of Swapan Das Gupta here, issued a warning, a word of caution that do not open the doors for the TMC leaders. Will BJP heed to that warning?
See, what I'm learning from the rebel camp sources is that the Trinamool Congress MPs who are currently present at the residence of Bhupendra Singh Yadav. Kakuli Dostidar, who has been leading these MPs who have been continuously communicating with them. Now, the sources tell us that Trinamool Congress will not officially join the Bharatiya Janata Party, but they would form a bloc within the Trinamool Congress, a Trinamool Congress within the Trinamool Congress. So that is most likely is going to happen because they will then say that our leader of the party is Kakuli Dostidar as far as Lok Sabha is concerned. Then again in Rajya Sabha, one of the members will be chosen as a leader of the party. So they will completely reject Abhishek Banerjee and his leadership because they have understood that given the choice to Mamata Banerjee, who has to decide between the party or Abhishek Banerjee, it will be most likely that she would stick around with Abhishek Banerjee, not letting her guard down for the rebel MPs. So what I'm learning from the sources who are currently present at the residence of Bhupendra Bhupender Yadav is that they are going to form a bloc within the Trinamool Congress, a Trinamool Congress within the Trinamool Congress. So that has been the strategy, and they have been holding discussions for several days. And in fact, very strategically, in fact, they have been said that you hold meetings separately. People who are not present in the national capital physically, they can join virtually. In fact, they have formed small groups within themselves. Discussions also have been going around. So from the day when Mamata Banerjee had sent Abhishek Banerjee to the national capital on Saturday, she herself came to the national capital on Sunday. Now, both of them, along with her loyalists like Dola Sen.
So this is where it gets interesting. If not, joining the BJP, then forming a separate bloc within the TMC. That seems to be what the rebel camp so far seems to be aiming for as far as this meeting that has been taking place at the residence of Bhupender Yadav. Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari also said to be in Delhi as far as these meetings are concerned. But this is something very interesting coming in from one of the insiders of the TMC, one who was actually part of the TMC. However, let's put out what Riju Datta has been saying. Because right after the rebel MPs met the Union Minister at his residence in New Delhi, the former insider Riju Datta has now come up with a big statement. And I'm going to quote from that statement because he's posted that very picture that I was explaining as far as several MPs of the rebel TMC camp is concerned. And here is what Mr. Riju Datta has to say. Breaking news that at a time when Mamata Banerjee is at the India meeting, the rebel TMC MP is meeting with West Bengal Chief Minister Shri Shubhendu Adhikari at the residence of Shri Bhupender Yadav. So big news coming soon. However, he is not giving any indication what could be the big news that could come in the way as far as the rebel camp is concerned. But this is still not clear as to how many of the MPs are concerned. So Riju Datta is connected with us right now. And in the meantime, we will be connecting with Ridhita as well. That is Riju Datta's tweet. Ridhita, we're just putting out for our viewers. It is interesting to know how many MPs from the rebel camp were present for this meeting.
Well, absolutely. You see that already the breakthrough has happened, which TMC was carrying, and which is why the Abhishek Banerjee had already reached Delhi 2 days prior just to have a word with it. But if you remember, as my colleague was also stating about Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar, so if you remember that Kakuli Ghosh Dostidar, soon she was removed from the position of Chief Whip. She had made a Facebook post where she has said that this is the gift that I get after serving Didi as a loyal person over the years, and after which only the conflict had begun, and she had come out with various other agendas. But however, due to what the BJP state president Shamik Bhattacharya had stated, that Trinamoolikaran of BJP will not be happening, so the gates for Trinamool will be closed. But this objection that had been coming against Abhishek Banerjee, and it was not only from one leader but multiple leaders came out and spoke against the corruption that Abhishek Banerjee was running and the kind of corporate fundamentals that they were running.
Interestingly, so Abhishek Banerjee is meeting in that meeting of the opposition India bloc along with Mamata Banerjee. So that meeting is simultaneously taking place while there are back-to-back meetings on the rebel camp of the MPs that is also taking place in the national capital. So it seems that the focus is shifted here to the national capital, to New Delhi. We'll be keeping this comprehensive coverage continuing on the other side of a very short break, because as far as TMC implosion is concerned, things are getting very, very interesting. Back after the short.